from here, okay? So I want to know if you understand. So number 2, what is the most common subject of conversation? The most common subject of conversation is the weather. Right. Number 3. Do people usually agree about the weather? People usually, where does it say? Okay. They hardly ever agree with each other. People usually do not agree about the weather. Or people usually hardly ever agree about the weather. Do you believe that weather forecasts usually turn out to be right? Yes, I believe that weather forecasts usually turn out to be right. What is the weather going to be like tomorrow? I think the weather is going to be a lot like it is today. What do you think? Do you think the weather outside will be like it is today? This is a question for us. Prayom, do you think the weather's going to be like this tomorrow?
I don't agree. Tomorrow, I think same today, better same today.
So you think tomorrow might be better than today?
Yes.
In what way?
What?
How will it be different? How will it be not the same, different tomorrow?
Tomorrow. I don't know.
Do you know what tomorrow is? Tomorrow is Saturday, right? Tomorrow is Saturday.
Tomorrow is Saturday.
Yes. Yesterday was Thursday. So have you any idea what the weather is going to be like tomorrow?
Today.
Not today, tomorrow, Saturday. Yeah.
Like better.
Cooler weather?
Tomorrow not same that today better.
Better tomorrow than today?
Yes.
How? Is it going to be cooler? Anybody know? Or you just think? Well, I think I heard on the radio.
I believe, of course.
I believe?
Of course.
Oh. You believe it's going to be the same?
Yes.
Right? Okay, we'll see. But the other thing I wanted to say was, I think I heard, maybe it must have been on television or radio, I don't know. I heard that Sunday might get some rain. So we'll see. Since I've been here, it's only rained one time. Yeah, in the morning. One time in the morning. Which is not you.
Tomorrow,
Tomorrow what?
I did not see the rain, but she told me she see some rain. She see the rain. อะไรฝนตกนี่อะไรวะ
Jenny, you see, Jenny, are you saying there's going to be rain tomorrow or Sunday?
I think Sunday or Monday raining.
Yeah, that's what I also heard. Sunday. Not tomorrow, but some on Sunday. I didn't hear Monday. Maybe Monday. But is Monday a holiday?
Yeah.
Tomorrow
This is
holiday.
Tomorrow
It's
is a...
Monday, Buddha Day.
So Monday, no school, huh?
Not school.
Okay, good thing we talked about that. Yes,
Okay.
okay, you knew anyway. Okay, so why don't we go on to the next page and we'll learn a little bit more about what we've been doing. Okay, so we talk about the weather. So where did we start off last time? Molly, why did you read the first one is Bob?
We going for picnic tomorrow. Why don't you come with us?
Okay, so you know what a picnic is, huh? In England, this is a picnic. They have a picnic basket. They call that a basket, but it looks like a suitcase, doesn't it? It looks like a suitcase, but it's a basket. Remember suitcase? Sufi, remember suitcase?
Yes.
And you said backpack or bag? Yes, okay. So, in the suitcase you carry cutlery, which is knives, forks, spoons, and plates, and sandwiches, fruit, biscuits, any other kind of food they want to have. And this here on the table is a thermos. Thermos in which you carry your tea or your coffee and or other juices. Yes, Jenny?
I just fly to, but I think it's going to rain. The weather forecast is not very good.
Rubbish hasn't rained for a week and is not even
Cloudy.
today.
Yes. Yeah, it's not printed very well, is it? Rubbish. Have you heard the word rubbish? You know what rubbish is?
Rubbish and rubbish.
You can say to somebody, nonsense. Rubbish. You wouldn't say garbage. Maybe you would, I don't know. But rubbish is really garbage or trash. Yeah, but it's an expression. We've talked about expressions. So rubbish means, nonsense. It's going to be nice tomorrow. So I don't know. We don't know yet, really, because it could rain. Okay, so Louise, Supri's going to read Louise. And then you.
But
Yes. Forecast.
But the forecast is rain more often than not.
Bob.
It must be about 80 this afternoon. I'll be fine for our picnic.
Yeah, it's about 80 this afternoon. It'll be fine for our picnic.
All right. I will come, but I will bring my umbrella with me.
Yes. Like me, I take my umbrella everywhere. Rain, shine, wind. Okay, so winter weather. It's Marley, Dick and Derek.
Look, is snowing. Winter is here at last.
Now, is it strange to think that winter, they're excited about winter?
Cool.
It's cold. But they like winter sports. You know what sports are? Soccer, United, Manchester United, that's sports in the summer or all year. But in the winter, you can ice skate, you can ski, you can, there's something called snow walking, they can walk in the snow. But they like to skate. Look, it's snowing. Winter is here at last. Okay, so Derek's turn. Let's pray on.
It's really close today and close. I have my overclothes on.
Yes, I'm glad I have my overcoat on. You know what that is? It's a heavier coat. You don't need overcoats here because it doesn't get cold enough. An overcoat is another coat you put on over your clothes. when you go out, especially in England, you do it all the time. It's kind of cold there most of the time. Okay. Sophie, Dick?
There's ice on the park too. Here,
Perhaps.
perhaps we'll be able to go skating this winter.
Yes, because the water freezes. Now, do you know what perhaps means? Any words you don't understand? Like perhaps is maybe.
Sometime.
Yeah, maybe we'll be able to go skating. Perhaps. Okay? So, Aruni?
Oh, I hope so. Come on, I am freezing. I'm freezing.
Yeah, because it makes you warm too if you're active and you're skating. It warms you up. Okay, so Dick, Molly.
You just have to learn to put up with it. The better hopefully going to be called for it.
Uh-huh. And what does Derek say? Yes, what does Derek say? Jenny?
Then I'm going to Spain.
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 You know why? You know where Spain is? Okay, they're up here in England, where it's winter and cold. But the further south you go, the warmer it is. And here's Spain, and it's usually warm there. So up here, many people go down here to work, young people. They work in restaurants and do other kinds of maybe hotels, just to get away from the cold. Yeah. Okay, so was there anything here you didn't understand? Please tell me. What word are you looking up, Jenny?
Jenny.
No, what word are you looking up?
Forehead.
Oh, perhaps.
Okay.
Yeah, perhaps. Yeah, maybe. Another word like maybe. Maybe. Maybe, baby. Perhaps. Perhaps. There's a song about that too. Okay, so on 74 we've got some exercises, and it says answer the following questions with short answers as shown in the example. The example says, is it cold today? And then you answer, yes it is, or no it isn't. So it's, did you just read prayer or was it your turn? Okay.
This is rain yesterday. Yes, it is.
Yes. Sophie's number B.
Is it snowing?
Is it?
Is it snowing? No. No. It is snowing. No.
It isn't. It isn't. Just say it isn't.
Isn't.
Yeah. No, it isn't.
No. Isn't.
Yes.
Snowing. No.
This is how it goes. Is it snowing now? No, it isn't. No, it isn't. Yeah.
Is it cold this morning? Yeah, it is.
Yes, it is. Bonnie, do you-
Has is cleaned up? Yes. No, it hasn't.
Yeah. Has it cleared up yet? No, it hasn't. What does it mean, cleared up? Anybody know? Yeah. Cleared up. Do you know what that means? If you don't, please tell me because I can explain it. You know, if it's very cloudy, And when we say it has cleared up, the clouds moved away and the sun came out. Yeah, that's cleared up.
ท้องฟ้าสว่าง
Now, did
Has it been cloudy all day? Yes, it has.
yes,
Yes.
yes.
ก็เจ็บก็
J,
เจ็บ
F, I mean F.
And it is going to snow tomorrow. No,
It
isn't.
isn't.
It isn't.
It isn't. No, it isn't. Yeah, isn't.
Isn't.
Okay. So, Sufi is G.
Is it raining now? Yes, it is raining now.
Yeah, you don't even have to say that. You can just say, yes, it is. That's all you need to say, huh? Yes, it is.
Yes, it is
Period. Yeah, that's it.
raining now.
You just say, yes, it is.
Yes, it
Yes, it is.
yes, it is.
Yeah. No more. Yeah.
No, it isn't raining now.
Is it raining now?
Yes.
Wait a minute, are we on G? Are we on G? Is it raining now? Which one are we on? Well, there's silent. Which one are we on? G? Is it raining now?
Yes.
Yes, it is. So simply that's all you need to say. Huh? You don't have to say, yes, it is raining now. You can just say, yes, it is.
Yes, it is
Yes, that's all.
raining now.
ไม่ต้องแพ้
You don't have to say raining now.
ทำไมทำไม
ตอบเฉยๆ
ให้ตอบ
ไม่
ให้
ตอบยาวๆไม่ตอบแต่เย็นให้ตอบ
It's okay. It's okay. That's how we learn. Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
That's good. That's good. Okay.
Was it sunny yesterday? No, it wasn't.
Yes. No, it wasn't. You see how short the answer is? No, it wasn't. Yes.
Does
Good.
it usually snow here in winter? No, it don't. It don't.
No, it
Doesn't.
hasn't.
Yes. No, it doesn't.
Is here.
It's there. Okay.
Is there a breeze today? Yes, here is there.
There is.
Yes, there is.
Yes. Yes, there is. Okay.
Wasn't it breeze?
A breeze. We talked about that yesterday. A breeze is a very slight cool wind that comes through. When I walk through the temple to the river, you feel a lovely breeze coming through, right? Soft wind.
Soft wind.
Yes.
Oh.
Very slight wind, and it's usually nice and cool. So, crayon.
They getting longer. Yes, they are.
Yes. Yes, they are. Good. Okay, now we're going to do using the right word. Here, for example, it's raining. You're either going to use the right form, correct one. It's raining. You don't say it's rain. You say it's raining. So we have to decide in A, which of those words fit in the blank space. So who's got A? Who's doing A, Marty?
Yes, yesterday is snowed all night.
Yes, yesterday it snowed all night. Past tense. Yes. B.
Is hailing now.
Yes, it's hailing now. You remember what hail is? Sukhvi, do you remember what hail is? You know, let me explain. We get rain, right? We get rain. Very soft rain is drizzle. Okay. Sleet is rain and snow, which none of you have seen. And if you stay here the whole time, I don't think you will, except by pictures. So sleet is rain mixed with ice, with cold, cold bits of snow. What was the other one? A sleet. Snow is soft but frozen rain, icy rain. And hail is rain that comes down in balls like this of ice. Ice.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So that's hail. And it can get, the balls can get so big that they can break windows. They can break windows. Hail. And yeah, a blizzard is such heavy wind and snow, you have to stop. You can't go on because you cannot see, and it's dangerous because it's blowing and you cannot see ahead of you. Yeah, that's what a blizzard is. So pray on. I think see the weather.
The weather going,
Getting
getting warmer every day.
Yes, the weather is getting warmer every day. Sukri's D.
It is.
Is it it?
It
No, is.
it raining?
Yes, is it raining? It's okay. Yes, good question? No? Okay.
The weather was very nice.
Yes, that's good. The weather was very nice.
It will probably be drizzling. Drizzling on the afternoon.
Drizzling, yes. It will probably be drizzling all the afternoon. So you know what drizzling is now? Soft rain, but soft. Very little rain, you know, sprinkle. Here's a drop, not hard rain. Okay? Drizzle. Here's another one. If I make a cake, you know what a cake is? Oh no. You know what ice cream is, right? You know this shop, Spencer's? You know what an ice cream is? Okay, I'll make a picture of an ice cream. I like ice cream. This is an ice cream cone, right? And that's the ice cream, right? Ice cream cone. And that is the ice cream. Now sometimes when you order an ice cream, but you can get a dish, and you can get a whole lot of ice creams. And this is the dish. A dish of ice cream. This is still ice cream. You can still get a dish of ice cream. So, sometimes you get chocolate, melted chocolate, that they drizzle. You know what I mean by drizzle? They pour. And sometimes you get a little cupcake. Cupcake, you know cupcake?
Yes.
And you put these little sprinkles on it. Those little sprinkles, you drizzle. You drizzle them on the cupcake, and on here you have chocolate, what do you call it, chocolate Melted chocolate. Melted chocolate. Actually drizzle it on there as well. So that's, you see, it's drizzling. What else do you drizzle? Anyway. So you understand drizzle, huh? Okay.
There's storm wind. This every week. Every week.
This
Storm. Everything.
this evening.
Evening.
So, okay, you said there's a strong wind this evening? Yes, right. You know what evening is again? Evening? Right. 6 o'clock is evening. Come, we have morning, we have midday, we have afternoon, and then evening, and then night. Goes again, midnight. Crack of dawn. Remember crack of dawn?
Yeah.
You remember crack of dawn? That's just when the sun comes up. This is the horizon. And just when the sun starts coming up, that is the crack of dawn. Dawn is another word for morning. Early, early, early morning. Okay. Let's pray on.
The weather will be cloudy tomorrow.
Yes. Okay. Sophie?
Have it yet? Has it?
Is it clearing up
Clearing up.
or cleared up?
Cleared up.
Which one?
Has it cleared up yet?
Yes, and remember cleared up is when in the morning it's very, very cloudy and there's no sun, but later on the clouds blow away and the sun comes back. So that's cleared up.
The weather was terrible last week.
The weather was terrible last week. Okay, so now, we're gonna take turns with this as well. Student A adds tag questions to the following statements, and student B gives short affirmative answers. So the examples are this. They're going to talk about, it's been beautiful this spring. So student A says, it's been beautiful this spring, hasn't it? And student B says, yes, it has. Then the same student says, there's a cool breeze today. No, I'm sorry, we're talking about a cool breeze today. Student A will say, there's a cool breeze today, isn't there? And student B says, yes, there is. So affirmative means agreeing. Okay? So affirming is agreeing. And I don't know whose turn it is. Molly?
Number 8.
Yes.
Is cool today? Is cool today? Isn't it? Yes, it is.
Yes.
Today is the first day of spring. Isn't is yes is
It is. Good. It is, yeah. So C for prayer, C for prayer.
There's a storm wind this evening.
Isn't it?
Yes.
Isn't it?
Isn't it?
Yeah. And then
There a storm wind. Isn't there? Yes, there is.
yes, it is. Good. Okay. So, yeah.
The the temperature will be about
70.
20 days.
Won't it? The temperature will be about 70 today. Won't it? Yes, it will.
Yes, will.
Do you understand that?